to today's Plan With Me video, and this is going to be the first in the series of Plan With Me. So I've got the sticker pack that I received from Etsy. I'll leave all the details in the description below of where I got this pack from, but it's basically from Kane Studio Planning. So yeah, we've got a sticker here which has got Sunday to Saturday on there. We've got the days of the week, so obviously mine's an undated planner. Some extra stickers there to show like bill due date. Some nice just little random stickers, like activity stickers here, like car or drinks or YouTube, for instance, dentist, etc. Then there's obviously little boxes that you can use if you need to fill bits in. Here is like list stickers with like goals and events. You can actually use these sort of stickers here in the boxes if you want to. And then we've got a final sticker here with some other little bits and pieces on there. We've got New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, but obviously that'll be part of December. And yeah, so this is the sticker book. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and so that you can keep up to date with all my Plan With Me videos. So for the January sticker kit, I went with this beautiful sort of pastel shades, blues and pinks. I thought this was really pretty, and I thought that it would look lovely for January. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the planner. I've finished now. I've obviously stuck everything in place. I've written down all my to-do. So I've got my dance in here. I've got a bill that I've already paid now because we're already in the month. I've got an eye test coming up next week. I've got a dinner date with my friend. I've put my feel-good intentions here. So basically I want to obviously practice gratitude a little bit more, meditate some more, go outdoors more. go walking more, and try and cook more meals at home. Skills and habits to learn. I'd like to go on a mindfulness course. So I've got to take my little pussycat to the vet, so I've added that in. I've got a couple of birthdays here, another birthday here, so I obviously need to get some cards. I've got a hair appointment, and I've just sort of decorated it with a few stickers here. I've used my washi tape here, and at the bottom here I've got a bill date, I've got bills. I've got a to-do, which I've actually got an extended to-do because I've got quite a few things that I need to do. And I've got a few bits of spaces if I need to add any more. And obviously I've got 3 birthdays this month. So let me just, where's my pen? Let me just add the last birthday on there. That's Paula's birthday. And then we've got here action steps to take. So I want to plan better, hence why I'm using this nice planner. Schedule my YouTube videos, well, the uploads for my videos. I want to read more, work out twice a week, and do not miss my dance class. So I meant work out and 1 dance class a week, so that's actually 3 times a week. Here I've got this bit here. I've got book of the month, so I want to read, finish reading The Secret. I've kind of started it, but I need to finish that. And then over here, which I haven't quite finished, desired goals for the month. At the minute I've got workout twice a week. Why? So I feel good and look good in the summer, and I'm going to reward myself with a nice pamper night. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed the plan with me. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!